Ciao friends, this is Liz from SimpleItalianCooking.com. I'm going to be talking about a really easy way to serve a caprese salad. This is great for entertaining or for parties, and I've made some caprese salad skewers just like this. And so as you can see, it's very simple. And all you need is the mozzarella balls from the store, some cherry or grape tomatoes, and then you just need some fresh basil leaves. So this is basil that I grow. I grow basil indoors all year. Make sure to check out my video on that so you can do that too. So what you do is you just have these skewers. One thing to note, if you're using wood skewers, make sure there's no splinters. If you can get like stainless steel ones or something, that would be a good idea. So you want to first start with your mozzarella ball, and you want to start it so that you're piercing it and you go all the way to the beginning here. And then what you do, very easy, is you just simply fold up a leaf, a basil leaf, and you skew it so that it won't come apart. And then you put a tomato on. Make sure not to poke your fingers. And then you get another leaf, another piece of basil. And you put that on, and then you do another mozzarella. And you can get as creative as you want with these, but then you repeat. So I have it so that when you're done, there are 3 mozzarella balls, 3 tomatoes, and 5 basil leaves. So, and then you can just serve it on a platter, and then like this. And when you have company, everybody just grabs one and they use that. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you use it at your next party, and make sure to check out my website, SimpleItalianCooking.com. Sign up for my newsletter so you can get more great cooking tips and even how to grow basil indoors all year. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to me on Facebook too. Well, I'd love to see you there. So ciao, grazie.